Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Keep your landline free from unwanted interruptions using a call blocker. CPRV 5000 Call Blocker. Easily block calls from anywhere in the home using the CPRV 5000 Call Blocker. Panasonic Call Blocker for landline phones. MCHEETA Premium Phone Call Blocker. Sentry 2.0 Phone Call Blocker.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
To block a number, press hash, dial the 10-digit number you want to add, and press hash to confirm. To unblock a number, press asterisk, dial the 10-digit number you wish to remove, and press asterisk to confirm. Enter asterisk 67 and then the number you want to block from seeing your caller ID info.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Free solutions. An app called Nomorobo was one of my top recommendations for stopping robocalls on your smartphone, and it's just as great for blocking bad callers on your home phone. On mobile it's a paid subscription, but it's free for landlines. If you're not sure what you have, call your phone company.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Xfinity. Dial asterisk 77 and callers who block the display of their name and number will hear an automated recording that you're not accepting blocked calls. The message instructs them to unblock their caller ID and call again.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
The best way to stop nuisance calls is to register your number with the Telephone Preference Service (TPS). They'll add you to their list of numbers that don't want to receive sales and marketing calls. It's free to register online with the TPS and takes less than a minute.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Register with the Telephone Preference Service. The best way to reduce nuisance calls is to register for free with the Telephone Preference Service (TPS). They'll add you to their list of numbers that don't want to receive sales and marketing calls.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.